Hi YouTubers! Jacker. So, as you are able to know, I am Zimistaggles 19. Yes, no? Just kidding. But I made this super awesome song today, and it's totally random and crazy, and I've just been thinking very randomly today, as you can tell from the video that I made a couple of minutes ago, and it's called I'm So Confused in all caps with 3 exclamation points. And oh god, that was crazy. Apparently I'm a velociraptor now. But so I made this song and I thought that maybe you would like to hear it. But so here it goes. It goes like this. Tapioca pudding and coffee too. I like lemonade and now I have to poo. I hope that you love me, I hope that you care. But if you don't, then you have never met me before. Have you ever met me? I don't know. But if you haven't, then I love you. Or, wait, no, maybe I don't, but maybe I do. You never know, because I still have to poo. Yeah. I don't even know what I was thinking about. I was thinking about, apparently I was thinking about tapioca and tapioca pudding and the things that I like. But the strange thing is I hate coffee. Can't stand it. God, I hate coffee. Yeah, there it is. I can't really see it. Nope, still can't see it. There you go. Oops, I exited out of it. Oops, nope. Ah! There, yeah. So that was a very random video I made, but you're probably gonna be seeing more of me today, cause I really have no life. Bye YouTube, I love you.